Computer. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Okay, your name? Pranav Kumar. Your name? Priyanka. So what you have to do for STAR project? You have to find SCI journals. In every group, you have 4 or 5 peoples. So your job is to for everyone one individual paper you have to select, and everybody's area should be common. For example, intrusion detection system. So in intrusion detection system, you have to find 4 papers individually. Okay. So first, what you have to do, go to the website. Here I'm searching from the beginning. IEEE Explore. On go, you have to write IEEE Explore on your URL. Coming or not? IEEE Explore. Internet. IEEE Explore. So in IEEE Explore, you have to search. You have to write the keywords in which area you want to do the. You want to find the papers. You have to type the keywords here. For example, intrusion detection system. Intrusion detection system. Intrusion detection system. Okay. In intrusion detection system, also many things are there. Algorithm. You want to develop algorithm. A lot of keywords are there. You can size. You can check it here. Intrusion detection system. You can write system. You can write model, approaches, algorithm, framework. Everything are there. So on what means which kind of things you want to do, you can search here, or intrusion detection algorithm. If you search, you will find a lot of search result will come. Okay, so here remember that don't choose conference, magazine, and books or courses. You have to choose journals and early access. Early access means those papers who are going to publish. Okay, till now accepted only, till now it is not published like that. So here you have to search the range from 2023-24. Don't go means the old papers. 23, 22, I don't know, but 23, 24 paper you have to search. Okay. Now you see a lot of papers is coming in this 2023. A lot of papers are there. A comparative analysis of novelty detection algorithm. Some papers are there. You have to choose. If you search in college internet, you can easily download. Okay. If this kind of symbol is there, that means you can download. Okay. Open lock. Comparative analysis. This is conference paper. Conference page. Conference coming. Journals. You can journals. Apply journals. So you see the filtering 2023-24 paper journals. Okay, in intrusion detection algorithm, you find a lot of papers. Hybrid Firefly backhaul algorithm design for exhaust tuning, application of intrusion detection system. You can search new tab. You can download the PDF. In the college internet, if you access, you can easily download. Because IEEE subscription is free here. Otherwise, you have to pay money. Okay, so IEEE Explorer is one website. In IEEE Explorer is a database. All the IEEE journals you can easily find here. Dekho. So see, IEEE is a IEEE Explorer is a database. In IEEE Explorer, lot of journals are there, like IEEE Access. It's a journal, and you have to find the paper you are downloading. You have to understand that that paper should be SCI paper. In maximum papers in IEEE Explorer, all maximum 99% are IEEE means SCI type. So how do you know that this is a SCI paper? Its name is IEEE Access journal name. So you have to go to a website like Web of Science. You have to write Web of Science journal list. You have to write Web of Science journal list. You have to go there. So whenever before you download the paper, you have to first check this paper belongs to which journal. Yes. And you have to check go and check that you have to check that this paper is SCI or not. So you check, you have to write Web of Science journal list. This website will come. After that, you type here IEEE access. Okay or not? This is the IEEE access. So you can see here coming the results. IEEE access. This is a science citation index expanded. SCIE. SCI. In some papers you will find science citation index, or you can find science citation index expanded. Both are acceptable. That means this is a SCI paper. Otherwise, some panel member will not accept your paper. Remember that your paper may be 2020, 2024 paper, and your paper should be a SCI paper. These two things you have to consider. Okay, now you can download this paper. You can download this. Okay, I'm downloading now. I will share you. Okay, this is like this. So like that in IEEE, you can find these papers like this. Many papers are coming. So you have to choose in your group 4 paper. You have to choose, and you have to study this. You have to take printout, read that. You try to understand what is these things. Okay, and you have to make PPT on the basis of the paper. Yes. For example, this is the paper. This is the paper. So your title is this title, your title, and you read the abstract and your introduction, that paper, your PPT introduction. In introduction, a lot of things are there. Don't put everything. You have to put some important points. Summarize like that, because you have only 12 pages paper. So in the 12 pages, you have to put introduction, you have to put literature survey, or survey. Means a survey on that area, how many papers published. You can simply put a table, simple 1-2 page you can take. And here's one algorithm. They are proposed one algorithm. So you have to explain that algorithm, or you can explain the pseudocode. So what you have to do, don't write too much. You copy, you take the screenshot, put the screenshot on the paper. For example, this is the algorithm you want to explain. So in the proposed methodology part, so your paper PPT having introduction, your PPT having literature survey, your PPT having proposed methodology. So like this, you have to divide your total whole paper, proposed methodology. After that, proposed methodology, you have to present experimental analysis. Matlab means you applied your paper on the data sets. What are the data set? What is the performance analysis measures? From the paper, you have to put everything there. So and also you have to choose the paper so that that paper you can understand. If you are weak in mathematics, you don't take any mathematical paper. Otherwise, you can understand. See, this algorithm is not that much easy. You understand, to understand this thing, your semester chala jayega. So you have to choose this kind of paper. Means you have to do that kind of paper. That thing you can understand, and you have to explain to the panel members. Okay. So everything there. This is a paper. You choose carefully which paper is easy. Okay. In ideas also a lot of things are there. This is algorithm I search. You can search an intelligent system. Like that you can search and find good paper. 4 people will find 4 papers, right? So like that, I'm also going to show you another website, Science Direct. This two the websites is very good for. So here you can find in your area, which paper you want. Machine learning, water pollution. Machine learning in water pollution. Okay, so now you can search it here. Okay, you can search these things. You will find a lot of papers will come. You see, and here also you check, it should be open access. If you open access, you can download. Otherwise, it is difficult for you. Okay, and here also year option is there. You can see, choose the year 2023. Don't go for more than 21. 22 के बाद 23 is better. Or 23, 24. Okay, so recent 2 year paper, 23 में भी चलेगा. But 24, 23 is 100% they will accept. Okay, so here you see a lot of papers are coming. A couple geostatistical machine learning approach to address spatial prediction of trace metals and pollution indices. ये कुछ है. So like that you can find a lot of results. You will get a lot of results. So you check, you study the abstract. You like that abstract, then you can go ahead. Okay, so air quality investigating the urban thermal and air quality environment, new transect in sensing methodology measurement. You have to check this thing. You have to check that. You have to see the paper. You read the abstract and the conclusion. If you like that, then you go inside. Otherwise, don't waste the time. Okay, so here the paper is coming, and here also what you have to do? You have to check where it is published. This paper is published in measurement. Measurement is the journal name. Okay. Again, you have to go to the website, Web of Science website. Okay. You have to type before you finalize the paper. You have to type this thing in here in the Web of Science website. Okay. So here you will find you see measurement is there. Science citation index expanded. So this is also right. So in this manner, you before you download, you check that this paper is in essay or not. If it is in essay, then you have no problem. Okay.
जो रिसर्च पेपर डाउनलोड करेंगे वो क्या जो है ISI
SCI,
SCI
Science Citation Index expanded, भी चलेगा. Or otherwise, science only Science Citation Index, because this is a standard journals. Okay. Otherwise, they will not accept. Two things you have to consider. Your paper should be last 2 year paper, a recent paper, and second thing you have to think that this paper should be SCI. And the standard database is Science Direct. Science Direct, the website I have shown you here, and also IEEE Explore. Okay, IEEE Explore is a database. In IEEE, a lot of journals are there. In machine learning area, different journals. Means in basically in other department, electronics, electrical, they have some different paper journals are there. In every journal, they are publishing research papers. Okay, understand process. So you go sit and check. You write the terms related to your paper. You find the papers which paper is suitable to you, and choose that and read some paper. Don't read 1 2 paper. Read 10 20 papers. And if you like that this paper is right and easy, I can explain. Then and if that paper having more diagrams, models, then it is easy for you to explain. And if it is having more mathematics, be careful. If you understand, it's okay. Otherwise, don't choose. अगर मैथमेटिक्स आएगा तो तुम लोग समझ में नहीं आएगा, वो लोग पूछेंगे तो एक्सप्लेन भी कर नहीं पाओगे, तो डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. ठीक है. ओके. सो दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर. Everybody don't meet me again and again. First choose the paper, then you come. Okay. First you select which paper you want to present. I will check that. And also you have to verify it is essay or not, because I have to sign on the paper printout. Because when you go to presentation, you have to take your base paper printout. I think they have written two things. You have to confirm that it is SCI. Your guide will sign on that. Yes. कुछ था पीपीटी वेरीफाई करके उसके बाद यू कैन प्रोसीड फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन. पीपीटी का नहीं, जो पेपर का. मैं आई विल साइन दैट. ठीक है. यू चेक योर मेल ओनली पेपर और abstract also you check what is the thing necessary, you verify before go to the presentation, and be ready because you have no time. You wasted already 2 months. You should meet me the time when you fill that form. From that time you should come and meet me. What you people should not come. ठीक है. ओके. जाओ करो, पेपर लेके आओ, मुझे दिखाओ. हैं. रिकॉर्डिंग आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप नाउ. ठीक है सर.
सर
हम्म.